Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Amersham Park Road to show you this fantastic 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom and terrace property. So upon entering we have a lovely wide entrance hallway which leads through to one of the bedrooms. This is currently used as a playroom but can be used as a bedroom also. On the right hand side we have our tastefully decorated downstairs WC, and opposite we have some storage just off the hallway. Now coming through and completing the ground floor is this fantastic modern fitted kitchen diner. So we've got ample units and storage space, as well as some fantastic extra space here as well. Breakfast bar area and space for a dining table. Now out to the rear we have a fantastic low maintenance rear garden. So we've got decking to the rear as well as some astroturf and a patio area just near the door. Nice high fences, nice and secure. Property is situated over 3 fantastic floors. Now going to the first floor, up the stairs, you'll find our lounge. We've got a lovely space here, Juliet balcony. Again, this property has been tastefully decorated and very well maintained throughout. There's a great space there, as well as some extra storage just in the corner. Got another WC here, and then completing the first floor we've got another bedroom. Now this is currently being used as an office. Got another really great space in here, lots of natural light coming through. So the property is situated close to some fantastic transport links and giving direct access into Manchester city centre and Salford Quays. Also got local parks and schools nearby. So this is the top floor of the property now, where we have our 3-piece modern bathroom suite and 2 double bedrooms. Really nice size. We've got some extra storage there as well. Here we have our beautifully presented 3-piece bathroom suite with a floating sink. All really nice and modern, and again really well maintained. And completing this floor and this fantastic property is another double bedroom. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.